Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this GLC today. This is the first of the GLCs that were made, 2016 model. Here you can see we have installed the ambient light kit in the car with this 10 inches radio upgrade. Here you can see when I will start the car, so this rotary speaker is coming out. So this is a cool tweeter that we have installed. So then again we have lights in the handle for the opening, and plus here under these plates. Then we have removed all the 5 AC vents on the front and 2 AC vents at the back as well. Then we have under the passenger side and the driver side there is a light. Then we have the same as the back side as well. You can see both passenger sides have the lights, plus on the same as the back doors as front doors. So first of all I will show you, we have coded the light with its original car interface. This is the car's original interface. We will change the colors from factory. The software only supports 3 colors. Here for example, when we will shift the dial accordingly, so it will change the color. Right now it's purple, going towards purple to red. It has almost 64 different colors, so according to the liking. So here you can see, for example, here we have the green. So on the screen we have removed the screen as well and installed an Android screen. In this screen we have the same this cluster as well. This is the works with the car's RPMs. For example, here we will start the car. So here you can see it's showing the 803 RPMs. When I will press the pedal, it will go again at the 807. So here is the speedometer, so it will show the speed while driving. Here we have some other options to change colors. Here we have the orange color, we have yellow, we have red, we have different colors. Then again, if we will come on this home menu, we have the screen. This is the latest screen with the Snapdragon 685 with the latest UI. You can see it has all the Android app features, same like on an Android mobile phone or Android tablet. We can connect mobile phone with wirelessly. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both available here. We have like navigation like Google Maps. We can download any kind of offline navigation as well. We have other like music files. So all the original steering wheel buttons, original buttons are working here as well. If we go to the back, so here we have like all the accessibilities, like we have the video as well. You can watch video while driving. For example, here you can see
become a hero.
So here is the screen. This is an HD screen, very beautiful pixels and high definition quality. It supports high quality videos as well, so you can watch videos while driving. So that's the plus point of the screen. You can connect your mobile phone for navigation. You can insert a SIM card. You can watch videos while using the YouTube. You can watch videos via other YouTube video applications. Everything is available here. Plus you can connect these lights with this with an Android app as well. We will install it later on, but here we have the lights that I will show you later. So that's the modification that we have done on the car. So I will show the back side. So here is the back side. It looks like this. So we have not installed on the back seats plus the speaker covers because of the customer's choice. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask us in the description below. I will provide the all contact information in the description. That's the video for today. See you next time, another video. Bye bye.